Welcome to my channel where we'll be exploring everything related to fitness, from workouts and nutrition tips to motivation and lifestyle habits that will help you achieve your fitness goals. Motivation is a complex topic that varies from person to person. Some people seem to have an innate drive to exercise regularly, while others struggle to find the motivation to get started or stick with it. However, there are several techniques that can help you get motivated to work out. Here are some tips. Set goals. Setting specific goals is a powerful motivator. Write down your fitness goals, whether it's running a 5K, losing weight, or building muscle. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. This will help you stay focused and track your progress. Create a plan. Once you have your goals set, it's time to create a plan. This should include what exercises you'll do, how often you'll work out, and what days you'll exercise. Having a plan will help you stay on track and make it easier to stick to your routine. Find a workout partner. Having a workout partner can help keep you motivated and accountable. Find someone who has similar fitness goals and commit to working out together regularly. You can encourage each other and hold each other accountable for sticking to your plan. Use positive reinforcement. Give yourself a reward after you complete a workout or hit a milestone. It could be something small like a piece of chocolate or a movie night with friends. This positive reinforcement will help you associate exercise with pleasure, making it more likely that you'll want to do it again. Join a class or group. Joining a class or group can be a great way to stay motivated. You'll be around like-minded people who share your fitness goals, and you'll have a built-in support system. Plus, the social aspect of working out can make it more enjoyable. Mix up your routine. Doing the same workout over and over again can get boring. Mix up your routine by trying new exercises, changing up the order of your routine, or increasing the intensity. This will help keep things interesting and prevent you from getting bored. Keep track of your progress. Keep track of your progress by logging your workouts and measuring your results. This will help you see how far you've come and give you a sense of accomplishment. It can also help you identify areas where you need to improve. Use music. Listening to music while you work out can be a powerful motivator. Choose music that energizes you and gets you excited to move. You can also create playlists that match the tempo of your workout to help you maintain a consistent pace. Focus on the benefits. Remind yourself of the benefits of exercise. Exercise can improve your physical health, mental health, and overall quality of life. It can reduce stress, increase energy levels, and help you sleep better. Focusing on the benefits can help you stay motivated, even when you don't feel like working out. Be kind to yourself. Finally, be kind to yourself. Don't beat yourself up if you miss a workout or don't see progress as quickly as you'd like. Exercise is a journey, and there will be ups and downs along the way. Be patient, stay committed, and keep pushing forward. In summary, motivation for working out can come from setting goals, creating a plan, finding a workout partner, using positive reinforcement, joining a class or group, mixing up your routine, keeping track of your progress, using music, focusing on the benefits, and being kind to yourself. Experiment with these techniques and see what works best for you. Remember, the key to success is consistency, so keep showing up and putting in the work. Making workout a routine is an important step towards achieving your fitness goals. Here are some tips on how to make workout a routine. Start small. Don't try to do too much too soon. Start with small, achievable goals, like working out for 10 to 15 minutes a day, 3 times a week. As you get more comfortable, gradually increase the duration and frequency of your workouts. Set a schedule. Schedule your workouts into your daily or weekly routine. Decide on the days and times that work best for you, and make a commitment to stick to them. Treat your workouts like any other appointment or meeting that you wouldn't miss. Make it convenient. Choose a workout location that's convenient for you, whether it's at home, a gym, or a nearby park. Make sure you have all the equipment you need and that your workout space is comfortable and inviting. Get an accountability partner. Find a workout partner or hire a personal trainer who will hold you accountable and motivate you to stick to your routine. Knowing that someone else is counting on you can be a powerful motivator. Track your progress. Keep a workout journal or use an app to track your progress. This will help you see your progress over time and motivate you to keep going. Celebrate milestones. Celebrate your milestones, whether it's a new personal best or completing a full week of workouts. Treat yourself to something you enjoy, like a massage or a healthy meal. Mix up your workouts. To avoid getting bored, mix up your workouts. Try different types of exercises or activities, like weightlifting, cardio, yoga, or hiking. This will keep things interesting and challenging. Make it social. Make your workouts social by joining a group fitness class or organizing a workout with friends. This will help you stay motivated and create a sense of community. Prioritize rest and recovery. Rest and recovery are important parts of any workout routine. Make sure you're getting enough sleep and taking rest days to avoid burnout and injury. Stay positive. Finally, stay positive and stay committed to your goals. Don't beat yourself up if you miss a workout or if progress is slower than you'd like. Stay focused on the big picture and the long-term benefits of exercise. In summary, to make workout a routine, start small, set a schedule, make it convenient, get an accountability partner, track your progress, celebrate milestones, mix up your workouts, make it social, prioritize rest and recovery, and stay positive. Remember that building a workout routine takes time and patience, so don't give up. Keep pushing forward, and eventually, exercise will become a natural part of your daily routine. Remember to stay committed to your fitness journey, stay positive, and always strive for progress, not perfection. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.